Welcome back guys. So this is the fourth video of our Java tutorial. In our previous video we wrote our first Java program, Hello World program. So this is it. So I have opened it. So in this video we are going to talk about variables and data types in Java. So in Java when we are writing programs, not only this programming language, in others also we have to use variables to use in our program. Okay, so actually we can simply say variable. We can define variable is a named storage location that we can hold data or values that we want to use in our program. Actually variables get a memory location to store or to hold the data we give to hold. Okay, when we are talking about this variable in Java, there are three types of variable. Right, as you can see, there are three types of variable: local variable, static variable, and instance variable. So let's begin from the top. Local variable. So actually these local variables are declared within a method. Okay, method or a block of code that we are only accessible with that method or blocks. Actually about these methods and other things we will talk in future videos, so don't worry. Local variables are declared in a method or block of codes. Then static variables also we can call them as instance variable. So these variables are declared within a class but outside of any method. Okay, then our third one is instance variable, or we can call it as class variables. So these variables are actually static. Static is also a keyword in Java. I'll explain it in a video. So for now, please remember, instance is actually a instance variable actually declared with a static keyword within a class. Okay, but outside of any block. So these are the three types of variables in Java. Right, so when we are talking about this variable, we have to understand about data types also, because if we want to declare a variable or create a variable, we have to give the data type of the data that we are going to assign to that variable. It means suppose that we are going to declare a variable to assign text value, let's say a sentence. So in that case we have to give that data type, the type of the data we are going to assign to the variable. And if we want to give an integer value to that variable, then we have to give the data type for the variable when we are declaring it. So data type is we can define it, data type, as the type of data that a variable can hold or store. Okay, so if we are talking about these data types, actually there are two types of data types, as you can see: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Okay, so now mainly we are going to talk about 5 data types. String, it's a non-primitive data type. Then int, float, char, and boolean, those are primitive data types. So if you want to assign a text value, we should use string data type. Okay, string data type. If we want to assign a integer value and define a variable, then we have to use the int data type. Okay, if we want to declare a variable with floating value, then we have to give the data type as float. If we want to declare a variable as with a char character, with one character, or characters, then we have to give the data type as char. Last one is boolean. Actually, boolean is a type that has only two values, two solutions, yes or no. Example, yes or no, true or false, like that. Two options, these are called booleans. So now let's create a variable, or let's declare a variable. So as I said, when we are declaring a variable, we have to first give the data type. It means the type of data that we are going to assign to that variable. Okay, so assume that first we are going to declare a variable with a name. Okay, with a name. So for that, name is a text, no, so it's a text. Then we have to give the data type as string. We use string here. The S is capital, but in other data types first letter is simple. Okay, because string is a class. We will talk them in future. Okay, string. Then we have to give the variable name. Okay, first we have to give the data type, then we have to give the variable name. I will give the variable name as name. Okay, then it's equal to the value we want to give. It means the value we want to assign to the variable. Remember, when we are declaring variables in text string type, we have to use double quotation. Okay, inside those double quotation we have to use the we have to give the data or value. So I'll give the name as John, right. Next, at the end we have to give the semicolon. Okay, so now we have declared the string type variable. So we use this string to declare text type variables. Understood? Right. Then we are going to declare a integer type variable. It means we have to give numbers, so integer values. For that, first we should give the data type int. Okay, then we should give the variable name. I'll give as the number. Okay, then I'll give a value for this at this situation. For integers, for numbers, we don't use double quotation. We can put the value alone, then semicolon. Understood? Like that, we can create other variables also. We declared string, int. So now let's declare a variable in float data type. Okay, for now also we can give the data type as float. Okay, then we can give the variable name. Let's give fnum. Okay, equals. When you are declaring a float in numbers, remember we have to use the f. Okay, f at the end. We can use 5.99 f and semicolon. Right, that's the way to declare a float data type variable. Then we are going to move to char. We use the char to store character values. Let's give the name for this variable, character. Okay, character. Then we can give the character. Here also we have to use the quotations, character A, right, like that. Right, next we are going to declare a variable with the boolean data type. Okay, boolean. Let's give a variable name, value equals to then the boolean type. Let's give true. Okay guys, so it's the way to declare a variable in Java. Okay, so next we are going to print this variable. So in the previous video we learned to print something in Java. Like that, we have to use the system.print.ln statement to print, or let's give it system.out.println. Yeah, if you want to print any variable, we have to use the variable name inside this printing method. Okay, let's give name. Okay, now let's run this program and let's see whether it's working or not. Our name should be printed. Okay, yeah, it's working. Also, I'll comment this one. You can comment this from like this. Okay, right here our name is printed. So if I want to print the number, again I'll print it and I'll give the variable name number, right? So let's print it. Yes, it's working. So like that, guys, you can declare variables with their data types in Java. So it's today video. So if you like this video, if you get something from this video, please subscribe my channel because it's a big help for me. So get in touch with my YouTube channel because in future I'll upload insightful videos in Java and another area. So get in touch with my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Take care.